In this tutorial I am going to display the contacts of a particular account in a Visualforce page. Okay, so we know that contact and account, they both have a lookup relationship. So contact is the child of account and account is the parent. So in this tutorial we'll create a account record and in account as parent, and we'll add contacts to the particular account and we'll display it in the Visualforce page. Okay, so let's create a page. apex/contact for account. Okay, so I'm going to remove the header as well as the sidebar. So I'll give show header as false. Okay, now it's plain page. So here I'll take the standard controller as account. So apex column page block, and in this page block I'm going to add the title. So normally for adding the title we used to add like this is my title. Okay, but here this time I want to display the username. So what can I do? I can do is hello, and I can, in the curly brackets, I can add exclamation, then dollar. This is the syntax: user dot first name. So I am the user, so that is the reason user dot first name is giving my name. So it's hello Sumit. And similarly we can use exclamation dollar user dot last name, and my last name is Sharma. So hello Sumit Sharma. But what we can see is there is no space between Sumit and Sharma. So what we have to do, we'll try to give a gap here, and we can see there's a space. So now we will give an account. Okay, so we are this is so and so's account. Okay, so how we'll get the account details? Like from this we can traverse. This is account dot name. Account /p. Okay, this is some person's account. So how will it get recognized here? Because here we are not having the ID. That's the reason it's not recognizing. So what we can do is we can create an account. We will go to account. Let's say this is a record created which is in the name of Vaibhav. Okay, let me open this. After opening this record, we can see ID here. Okay, we have to copy this ID, and then this is the syntax: question mark ID is equal to place this ID. After placing this ID, we can see this is Vaibhav account. So account.name now it knows that we have to take the name from the ID, and this ID we have mentioned here. Similarly, any account we create, ID will be generated for that. Let's say, let me create a new account. Let me name it as Rahul and save it. So after saving this, you can see ID is generated for this. So we'll copy this ID and paste it here. This is Rahul account. Okay, so ID plays an important role. Next, Apex, I am going to use another page block, Apex column page block. In this page block, I'll add the title of contacts. And this contact will be related to above account. I can name it as related to account. Okay, so here now I'll take a page block table, Apex column page block table, value, we can give the value as account dot contacts, and where it will be con. So account dot contacts, why we are taking account of contacts is, using this we are trying to fetch contacts. If we give here account dot contacts, so contact is a child of account. So if we want to access the value of contact, we have to give account dot contacts, and we will access it using this where. So now what are we going to access it? So that is the reason we use page block table. Okay, and we will display the data using columns here. Apex column value, what we are going to display. Now the value is stored in, you can traverse using con, right? So it's con dot name. Anything we want to access, we can access it using this variable. Similarly, con dot last name, that is last name of the contacts, then phone, and then we can give title. and after we save it, we are not getting any data, because this is the account, this is the parent, and this is the child. So do we see any records here? No, right? So that is the reason we cannot see the data. So for the above account we can give the first name as Rahul Sharma. Sorry, it's Singh. And title is developer. Phone is value, and that's it. Save. So now these details got saved in the account. Which account? Rahul. So here now let's refresh it. We can see the detail. This is Rahul account, and name is this, last name, then phone, and title as developer. So this way we can traverse, like we are fetching the contact which is related to account. Okay, so hope you like the video. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel, and have a good day. Bye.